Welcome to the ultimate adventure on wheels. Today we embark on a journey of exploration with the 86 FB Adventurer Truck Camper, proudly presented by Fraserway RV, the leading distributor for all Adventurer campers at Fraserway's 12 dealerships across Canada. Adventurer Manufacturing is proudly Canadian owned and operated by the Epp family since 1969. Their campers are designed specifically for the various conditions across Canada, allowing you to embark on your journey in confidence on your road to adventure. The Adventurer 86 FB isn't just a camper, it's a game changer that fits all 6-foot and larger short bed and long bed trucks. Loading and unloading is a breeze thanks to the optional electric wireless Happy Jacks, ensuring you spend less time on logistics and more time on adventure. The 86 FB comes equipped with a comfort step bumper, a powder-coated, non-skip entry step system designed with your safety and convenience in mind. Crafted with lightweight metal and ball bearings, the storage tray effortlessly provides swift access to your equipment. From the outside, the 86 FB exudes confidence with its sleek build and sturdy construction. The gel coat fiberglass exterior is strong and easy to clean and to maintain. With durability in mind, the 86 FB boasts laminated sidewalls with R9 closed cell block foam insulation and clear pine framing. That means you can embark on your journey with confidence, knowing that you're equipped for all 4 seasons. The 86 FB truck camper features thermal pane windows, ensuring a comfortable interior climate in any weather condition. The battery compartment fits 2 RV batteries. This disconnect switch is a game changer for convenience, allowing you to instantly cut power without having to manually disconnect batteries between trips or during storage. It's a hassle-free way to preserve battery life and ensure readiness for your next adventure. The 86 FB camper boasts an outside shower with both cold and hot water options, serving as a versatile wash station for people, pets, and gadgets. This camper's roof is constructed with a one-piece, walkable TPO material, ensuring easy maintenance and longevity. With the option to add a low-profile, high-efficiency roof AC, you can customize your camper to suit your adventures. Stepping into the interior of the camper, you're greeted by a modern, clean, and surprisingly spacious design. Despite its compact size, this camper boasts a spacious interior with amazing comfort. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite spot, the kitchen. First up, we have the double-split stainless steel sink. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and scratches. The undermounted sink can handle it all. And with its heat-resistant properties, you can rest a hot pan or pot without worrying about damage. But the benefits don't stop there. The countertops in the 86 FB are seamless, with rolled edges that make it virtually impossible for water to cause any damage. The thoughtful features like full extension, soft closing drawers, and hardwood cabinet doors not only stand out above the competition, but they'll also make you feel right at home. Next, we have the 3-burner cooktop with oven. It offers the option to add a flip-down cover for additional counter space when not in use. Let's not forget the food vent, ensuring that cooking smells are whisked away. First up, we have a versatile 2-way fridge, running on both propane and electric. With separate compartments for your fridge and freezer, you get 7 cubic feet to store all your perishables and frozen treats for those extended road trips. Storage is abundant in the 86 FB, with full extension soft closing drawers, cabinets, and a double-door mirrored closet by the bed. No need to leave anything behind. This camper has room for it all. And when nature calls, the 86 FB's bathroom has you covered, featuring a Dometic foot flush toilet and a skylight for extra headroom and natural light. You can freshen up in comfort wherever you roam. This wet bath features a one-piece fully enclosed fiberglass shower, ensuring durability and easy maintenance for your convenience. Enjoy the luxury of hot water on the go with the Auto-Light water heater. This camper features a large skylight above the bed that fills the inside with natural light during the day and is excellent for viewing starry skies at night. The spacious Overcab features a 60 by 80 queen bed with an upgraded, high-density 4-inch thick foam mattress, providing you with the residential comfort you deserve after a day of exploration. Let's not overlook the thoughtful details like the strategically positioned charging station beside the bed, ensuring your devices are ready to capture every moment, even while you're tucked in for the night. The fantastic fan works in tandem with the windows to create a harmonious airflow that's second to none. Whether you're parked in the heart of nature or off the grid, you'll enjoy a constant breeze that keeps you cool and comfortable. Need extra sleeping space? No problem. The face-to-face Dream Dinette with high-density foam upholstery conveniently transforms into a second bed. Stay comfortable in any climate with the 86 FB's powerful propane furnace and optional high-efficiency AC. And with heated enclosed insulated holding tanks, you can explore year-round without worrying about the weather. Take command of your adventure with the intuitive control panel, giving you full control over your camper's essential systems at the touch of a button. This camper comes pre-wired for solar to ensure connectivity for optional 100-watt solar panels with 30-amp controller. Stay connected and powered up with the camper's charging stations, ensuring you will always have the power you need. Step outside and relax under the optional power awning with LED lights, creating the perfect ambience for outdoor gatherings and late-night stargazing. Enhance your RVing experience with the optional Jensen stereo system, featuring speakers both inside and outside the camper. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the destinations, it's about the memories made along the way. Pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and get out into God's beautiful creation. Your next adventure awaits with the 86 FB Adventurer Truck Camper. Ready to start your adventure? Visit our website at fraserway.com to find the perfect vehicle for your RVing dreams. At Fraserway, we have the ideal RV to make your vacation dreams a reality.